Hi guys, I am your Subhas. I respect my all seniors and love juniors. Now I am going to discuss about the term BOD, COD, retrofitting, jacketing. BOD, biological oxygen demand. COD, chemical oxygen demand. Retrofitting of building construction and jacketing. So first of all, I will discuss about the term BOD. What is biological oxygen demand? So first of all, we take what? The water tank, which consists of polluted water. Why we say that this is polluted water? Because in this water, their organic matter consisted as a waste, and also there should be microorganism. So first of all, we have to measure the capacity of biological oxygen demand. Then how can we measure? So first of all, we have to dissolve oxygen. How much oxygen we have to dissolve so the polluted water should be saturated by the help of oxygen? No? So when the polluted water becomes saturated, then only we have to measure what? We can capable to measure what? Dissolved oxygen which is present in the what? Polluted water, which is the water tank. So first of all, we have to fix the volume. How much volume should consist polluted water? So we can capable of finding the dissolved oxygen in the polluted water. So first of all, percentage of water. Then percentage of what? Dissolved oxygen. Then formula is what? Weight of O2 by total volume of water into 100%. So now I am going to discuss what? The definition. How can we define biological BOD, which means biological oxygen demand? So in the polluted water, microorganism, the microorganism which require oxygen. How much oxygen? Many less oxygen. So many less oxygen. So microorganism required oxygen to decompose organic matter which is presented as a waste in the polluted water at a 20 degrees Celsius, which we have fixed. The temperature we have to fix first of all for finding the capacity of what? BOD, biological oxygen demand. So biological microorganism requires oxygen to decompose organic waste matter which is present in the polluted water at a specific temperature and specific days is known as biological oxygen demand. Now COD, chemical oxygen demand. What is chemical oxygen demand? Then it is a measure of capacity of wastewater which consume oxygen during oxidation of what? Organic and inorganic matter, which both, no? Organic and inorganic matter by using a strong oxidizing agent, which is acidified potassium dichromate. Everybody knows that. So this happens definition of what? COD, chemical oxygen demand. Now I am going to discuss about the term retrofitting. What is retrofitting? Everybody have idea, everybody knows that in the previous year so many houses are constructed, built in the previous year. So in those time, the people do not have so much idea, so much knowledge about the construction of building or any bridge, any civil engineer constructions. So what happens in those time, the building consists of only 2 story or 3 story buildings, which is first floor and second floor almost. But what happens, this is not earthquake proof building. The earthquake directly damage these types of building. Nowadays so many problems occurs like global warming, greenhouse effects, earthquake happens by the with the help of water. In the crust of earth there so many stones are rubbed with each other, rocks are rubbed with each other. So due to this reason the earthquake happens. But in those days the buildings are constructed, those have not so much power, so much capability to adjust what this earthquake, landslide, global warming, etc. So as a civil engineer, nowadays what we find that we provide retrofitting in those types of building which is constructed in previous year. So we provide what? Retrofitting. So first of all we have to know the idea, the knowledge about retrofitting. What is retrofitting? How can we apply this in the construction of building, bridge or anything, any construction material which is used in the civil engineering topics. So what happens when we nowadays so many people are increasing, everybody knows that. So this requirement of live of people due to this increasing population, everybody knows that when people increase, when population increase day by day, then their requirement, their demand, their shelters are also increases. But these are limited, everybody knows that. So what happens in the previous year, the building is constructed what? Only 2 story or 3 story, which that is first floor building and second floor building. But due to this region, due to increasing population, we have to make 4 story building, 5 story building, or so many upper level. You know that. So due to these increasing population, their demands and requirements are also increasing to live, their settlement is also increasing. So in the limited construction of building and houses, we have to construct more than second floor building, fifth floor building. Up to fifth floor building you have to construct. No? So when we construct or build 5-story building or 10-story building over first story building or second story building, so what happens? The load is increased in the upper level in the superstructure, but in the substructure, the beam, column, etc. Or any other material which is used in the house or in the structure is limited. It's capable of adjust the strength, extra strength limited. But what happens when we construct extra building, extra floors on the superstructure? Then we have to provide what? Extra reinforcement to the beam and column. Which what happens when we provide extra reinforcement in the beam, column, or any other materials which is in the construction? So what happens? This limited what? Strength increases. Then the beam and column strength also increases to provide a strength to the upper superstructure loads which we applied. So when retrofitting is done, retrofitting means everybody knows that what extra reinforcement is providing the beam and column to adjust what? Superstructure extra, we provide extra load, then